Good morning. Can we get in the sunshine, please? It's cold in the shade. It is. Good morning. I'm going to go down and feed my birds because I bought them some new goodies. I did. Couldn't help myself. Chips Wilco's means bird food. Yes, it does. So before we go down there, don't forget to like and subscribe. Then come back and resubscribe because YouTuber unsubscribing my subscribers. Yes, they are. Don't forget to find me on my social media, Twitter and Instagram, Adelesexyuk, Skype, Adelesexyuk, and then my 3 OnlyFans. The freebie, the $10, and the naughty one. Yes. So come on over. Let's go check out my birds. There's none down there at the moment. There were. There's none at the moment. It just means I don't. Oh, there's one. Good morning. Be careful you don't walk into anything as you're walking down here. They have an assault course at the moment. Good morning. There's a big pigeon on the table. Good morning. How are you? Having a nice breakfast? Want to show you? Smile. You're on camera. Right, so somebody's piled everything on top again. We're getting a bit full. I don't know how I'm going to fit all of it in. Right, what do we need? Hello. Good morning. So we need something fun there. Don't need any bowls. Don't need any blocks, I don't think. These are the blocks down there. No. I think it's just on the tables and down there. Then we need things. That's going down well that I made. Look. That one's nearly gone. They're enjoying this as well, look. Oh, look how much they've eaten of that. They like it because they can stand on there and eat it. Right, so what do we got? Can you see what I bought? I bought a big bag of black sunflower seeds. I got some of these. They didn't have any in for the last few times. They only had seed ones. They were 50p. So you can feed the birds on a budget. 50p. So I got 2, of course. I got some more suet logs. They were 75p. But then I found these new suet logs. New ones. They are ultimate suet blocks. But they've got all things inside them. They've got super seed mix and elderberry. New ones. Yes. Let's put out the last of the mealworms in this bowl down here. I've stopped buying mealworms because they're very expensive. Very expensive. Very expensive. I didn't realise I had one of these left. I thought I'd used all these up. Oh. What? Okay. We'll put this out there. Because I'm going to take mine down there. It's nearly finished. And we'll give that a wash inside. We'll put this one up then. Meant to come out, but I think because it's melted inside it with the hot, then the cold, then the hot, then the cold. Shall I leave it in the sunshine for a bit? Okay. Leave it there for a minute, or a couple of minutes. Then we'll hang that up there. I'm going to get some seeded peanuts. We need peanuts. Lots and lots of peanuts. Because there's now 3 tables to fill. Yeah. So I can see the next bird purchase is going to be peanuts somehow. Don't need to fill anything up. Oh, there's quite a few in here though. This seed out. Like a corn seed. This one is. It's very cold. Good morning. How are you? You have some treat. That means there's a black one around somewhere, because that's the sister. You can see them chasing each other around the garden, that's why I've called them brother and sister. Good morning. She came on top of the table. I think I'm being accepted as a bird. What do you think? She's on the table eating. I take it she likes this seed because she's eating the seed. She looks so beautiful. Walking a long way around so I don't disturb her. I think that's it. I think that's everything out. She looks so beautiful. Do you want to pan round so you can see her on the table? Can you see it? Yeah, I'll have to come back down and sort that out. Or can I hang it like that with the tub on? I'm just worried about anything on the floor, that's all. It moved. Ta-da! Did it? Da-da-da-da-da. This one has more of the berry, ridiculously good bird food cake with juicy fruit. This one is. Oh, up there. There we go. All fed. Yes. And then they go back in there, you see. Like that. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget, love your birds, feed your birds, look after your birds. There's water out for them, where they have a bath, might I add. And I've just fed them all. So yes, enjoy your day. I love you all, and I'll see you all soon.